Today we're solving a system of equations using the elimination method. Our goal is to find the value of x from the following equations. First equation, 8x minus 5y equals 25. Second equation, negative 7x plus 5y equals 48. Let's get started by identifying which variable we can eliminate right away. Take a look. Both equations have y terms with opposite signs and the same coefficient. That's perfect for elimination. If we add the two equations together, the y terms will cancel out. Let's add them. 8x minus 5y plus negative 7x plus 5y. The y terms cancel and we're left with 8x minus 7x equals x. On the right-hand side, 25 plus 48 equals 73. So we now know that x equals 73. Let's recap quickly. Because the y terms had opposite signs and equal coefficients, we added the equations to eliminate y, then solved the resulting equation for x. So the answer is x equals 73. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.